Hello everyone, it's me Nini and welcome to Remote Philippines Job. And today I'm so excited to be chatting with Miss Rashmi. She is one of our amazing team members here in the Philippines. And we wanted to give you a real look into exactly what it looks like working with us behind the scene. And before we start with our interview process, Miss Rashmi, can you first introduce yourself?
Yes, hello everyone. My name is Rashmin Dispod. I'm 35 years old from Taguig City and I'm currently handling SMM tasks under this job.
That was great. So, Miss Rashmi, what was your previous work or job before you applied here in our company?
Actually, right after finishing my school, college, so that was 12 years ago, I already started working remotely.
Mm,
So, yeah, remotely for about 15 years now. So,
oh,
yeah, I, actually, I started as an online writer. So, being a VE is a huge step from that.
yeah.
But I'm really happy that this company gave me a chance, even if I have no experience yet. And as of now, I'm really showing them that they didn't make a mistake giving me a chance.
Yeah,
Yes.
actually, Miss Rashmi, we're really happy that you chose us. And that was really a good thing also that you applied here. And we also want to let you know that we're welcoming you and we're happy that you to be part of our team right now. And we're
Yes.
looking forward for more achievements together. Okay, so Miss Rashmi, can I ask you where did you find our company? Is it on social media platforms like TikTok, Facebook, or even in the online jobs, or a referral of a friend?
I found this job post on onlinejobs.ph. Actually, that's where I find most of my jobs for
Jobs.
the past 12 to 15 years. Yeah. So yeah, looking for a job like this is nothing new to me.
So, what made you think that caught your eye and think that, oh, I should really apply for this job?
Yeah, to be honest, because I even have no idea myself why I became a writer because first of all, hindi ko talaga hilig magbasa. So nahihirapan talaga ako magsulat kasi 'di ba when you read, writing comes
Yeah.
naturally. So nag-decide ako. Then I came across this job saying na experience not required. You just need to be able to follow the rules and be willing to learn. So, I gave this a shot, yon. And buta naman, natanggap yon.
Yeah, and it's really good thing that you take the risk, Miss Rashmi, kasi most of the people, they are also afraid and skeptical to apply since nga wala silang experience, but it's really good thing that you take the courage to be.
Yes, and I think most people think that this job is a scam because mabilis yung hiring
Yeah.
process, ganon. Pero for me, hindi naman siya nag-cross sa isip ko kasi being online for for decades now, parang na-distinguish ko na din kung ano yung scam sa hindi. And first and foremost, kung scam yan, manghingi na pera upfront, di ba? So, hindi naman nila ginawa sa akin yun. So, pinastro ko yung application.
Did the application process for you was smooth ba? And how long does it take po for you to
Ah,
get hired?
Actually nga, nagulat ako kasi sobrang bilis ng process. Almost 1 week lang, nagka-work na agad ako, ganyan.
Hindi mo talaga alam kung ano mangyayari sa'yo if you won't try, di ba? And
Yeah,
yeah, it's really, really good thing that you take the risk, Miss Rashmi. So,
yes.
so once you were officially on board now, do you feel supported during your newbie days?
Um, yes, kasi everyone is so friendly, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos, from time to time, makikita mo yung mga owners ng company, yung nagko-comment sila sa mga pinopost mong updates, ganyan. So, It's giving you the confidence boost
Yeah.
na do better, you're doing a great job, ganyan. I appreciate you, yeah.
And actually, that was a really a good start din dito kasi nga mostly ng mga newbies, syempre, takot silang magkamali. But here,
Yes,
we're open for that because there is always a room for improvement. And
yes,
I really also admire our manager here because, you know, he is the one who is pushing us. He gives
yes,
us this boosting and even the courage to do better. Kasi hindi
yes,
naman sila, we all benefit here.
yes,
So,
yes.
when you did the instructions of the interview when you applied feel confusing or naging smooth ba yung process mo?
Yes, smooth process kasi yung instructions, straightforward. So, kahit sino, kahit, yun nga, talaga kahit wala kang experience, basta marunong ka sumunod sa mga SOP, ganyan, magagawa mo. Kung kaya ko, na walang kaalam-alam, kaya nyo rin.
Kaya
Oo.
narinig na mismo kay Miss
Oo.
Rashmi na if she can do it, you can do it too.
Oo.
So, Miss Rashmi, what was your job right now here in our company?
I'm currently handling SMM tasks. Yes.
So, as a remote setup right now, how do you stay connected with the team and to make sure that everything is on track?
So, as I said earlier, di ba, everyone is so friendly naman and basta if you see anyone online, you just post a question and anyone who reads that na yun nga na incidentally naman online din sila. So, sasagot at sasagot sila. So, hindi ka talaga yun nga, huwag ka mahihiya magtanong kung wala kang alam.
Kasi they will, because there are also really a lot of people who will
Mm,
help you here, di ba? And they won't
mm,
feel that you're a newbie. Even though you don't
yeah.
have experience, they will make sure that you're treated equally, di ba?
Yeah, pagkaya ko, originally SMM tasks ako. Pero in just a few days, parang they felt the confidence na magbigay sa akin ng kahit konting admin tasks. So yes, pinaprove ko na, na worth it, na binigyan nila sa akin yung job. Na hindi lang SMM yung pinagkatawala nila sa akin.
And you
So
can
yun.
really tell that they really see your potential. Kasi hindi nila bibigay ng role kapag alam nilang hindi mo kaya, di ba?
Yeah,
What was the tool that you are living most this day? Or what is the tools that you use right now?
So, for communication, nagulat nga ako kasi ang primary mode of communication dito is Slack.
Slack. Yeah.
Eh, di ba, pag mga corporate, mga Microsoft Teams yan, then we rely mostly on Google Sheets. Sa may particular program na pinapagamit for you to be able to complete your tasks. And yeah, kung natatakot naman yung iba na parang social media management, di ba? Ang newbie pa lang ako, managerial role na agad. So, kasi hindi, kasi you're allowed to look at your notes naman while working. So, hindi ka talaga mahihirapan. So, yeah, that's what I tell everyone na, uy, yung sinasabi na, uy, manager ka na, ganyan, ganyan. Hindi, sa pangalan lang talaga yun. Hindi ang iniisip niya na manager yun.
But
Yeah.
there are also a lot naman na ano, 'di ba? Na a lot of other jobs naman under the SMM. And
Yeah.
you can also do or apply other tools naman na connected with that because 'di ba when you say social media manager, you handling some of the social media accounts. You also have the Facebook, the Instagram, the YouTube, and some of them they also handle the pages of the models. And
Yes.
others do the marketing, right?
Yes,
And the
yes,
promotional.
yes.
And where exactly do you fill with that? Or do you fit in?
Yung pag-handle ng mga accounts. Wala pa ako dun sa management, sa marketing, ganun.
So, when handling the accounts, what's one skill you feel you has a level up since you started?
Absolutely, number one is time management. My biggest weakness is that I tend to overthink things. With this SMM tasks while doing them, parang nagiging cautious ka na may hinahabol kang quota, ganyan. So, hindi ka magsistick sa isang task na napakatagal kasi may iba ka pa kailangan gawin. Yeah. Pero hindi naman siya in a sense nakaka-pressure. Parang ano lang siya, guide. Ganon.
Yeah, and also one of the advantage of being working remotely is you can manage your own time. Diba? So,
Yes.
talagang hawak mo talaga yung oras mo and you don't need to overthink na, ay, baka malit ako, ganito, ganyan, as long as you did your task within that day. Di ba po?
Correct.
So, what was this one thing po na you truly love about working remote Philippines job?
First of all, kasi yung mga katrabaho mo yung kasi minsan kahit sobrang gustong-gusto mo yung katrabaho, yung trabaho mo, pero yung mga katrabaho mo nakakainis.
Environment.
Yun. Pero, oo. Katamanag ka pumasok, ganyan. Parang nga dito, so hindi ko na pwedeng sabihin na ito na talaga yon. Pero I'm starting to like it kasi nga yung mga katrabaho ko, di ba? So, napaka-supportive. Tsaka, as I said earlier, yung mga managers na inubos nila yung moral mo. So, nakakaganang pumasok araw-araw.
Yeah, it's really one of the good factor, di ba? Kasi kahit pagod ka na or even though when you say you're burned out of your task, when you have a support system na will hype you up, di ba? Parang mas gagawin yung loob mo na, okay, hindi naman parang nakakawala siya ng pagod and it's really a booster also at the same time, di ba? Kasi parang
Yes.
mo na you're appreciated, you got lift up, saka parang hindi na papabayaan yung effort mo.
Yes.
Has working remotely changed your daily life routine or your lifestyle better po?
Ano yan? Tricky question yan. Kasi nga, I've been working remotely, di ba, for more than a decade.
Decade,
So, wala. Parang walang nagbago, to be honest. Nung nag-COVID nga, di ba, parang
Yeah.
yung iba nagpapanik na bakukulo sila sa bahay. Pero sa akin, wala nang nagbago. So, yun.
Pero when you start working here, diba, there are some changes since you started like for weeks now. So what would you think? Does it become more better or worse for you? Since from you
kasi,
working for decades now.
So, syempre, nung first few weeks ko pa lang dito, yung kakabahan ka sa bagyong process, parang as time goes by, yung magagamay mo din siya. For lack of better word, parang nakaka-excite na pumasok araw-araw kasi parang natututo naman na din siyang mahalin yung trabaho mo. Ganun.
And lalo na kapag may mga bagong task ka, diba sabi mo nga po, may mga workmates ka, parang na-inspire ka na gumising araw-araw kasi alay mo, may mga bagong chika, or may mga achievements ka, yung mga ganun po. And I can really say na when you really love your job, you're learning to love it every day, lalo na kung it benefits you.
Correct.
Okay po. So, what was your favorite work from home perks right now?
Syempre, yung work-life balance. Kasi hawak mo yung oras mo. So, kung alam mo kung anong oras ka mag-work, kailangan nasa bahay ka, mababudget mo kung, dapat before gantong time, magawa ka na to or baka allocate ako ng tasks, gano'n. Parang hindi ka nagagaral sa oras kasi nababudget mo na siya
Yeah.
Ganun.
So,
Yun.
aside from that po, is there any teammate who has already helped you out or mentored you since you're newbie here? Like a person who helped you throughout your journey?
Yeah, for SMM, si Miss Angelica, sobrang thankful talaga kasi she's very patient and for the admin tasks naman, si Miss Anna. Then, yun, thankful din ako kasi napaka-patient niya. Tapos, kahit mali-mali yung ginagawa ko nung umpisa, parang, yun nga, parang, bakit hindi ka nagagalit sa akin? Parang gano'n. Ganun. So, yun. So, parang I make sure na pagbatihan ko na next time kasi nga, parang naturo na sa akin to, bakit hindi mo parang maintindihan ka
Yeah.
na.
But
Pero wala namang ganun.
But Dudok, please po, don't be hard on yourself also. Kasi hindi naman po tayo
Yeah.
perfect. And mistakes can
Oo.
be part of our life. And I'm really happy din po kasi you appreciate those people who help you. And at the same time, you also learn how to know your mistakes. And you learn how to coping with it. Kahit na
Yeah.
bago ka pa lang. And
Yeah.
that's what I really admired you. Don't usually give up, but at the same time, you take some time to
Yes.
have a solution with it. So, after that, po, do you feel like you will grow professionally here? And what skills have right now that you don't have like a decades ago or like months ago?
Masasabi ko na talaga nag-grow na skill yung pagiging accurate ko. Kasi hindi naman sa pananakot, pero yun, napaka-importante talaga nun sa trabaho to. Tapos yun, kaya yung time management, yung hindi ka, may guide ka. So, ina-advise na mag-set up ka na alarm, ganyan ng timer para yung hindi ka ba mawala sa track
Track.
mo. Ganyan.
And there's no pressure naman po, di ba?
Yes. No pressure at all.
So, aside from that po, has your flexibility of working here impacted your relationship with your family or your personal hobbies?
Yes, that's what I love about working online and really about working here kasi 'di ba since alam mo yung shift mo so before that pwede kang kung hobby ka talaga mag-bake.
Yeah. Oh,
So
wala.
from time to time, yeah, I always find no excuses. Kung may special location, ganyan-ganyan, ako talaga nakatoka.
What you do now, since you can handle your own time now, is that what you do on your me time? Or
Yeah,
how you spend your recharge time ba? Or there are other specific na things that you did?
that's mostly what I do. Kasi baka iniisip mo nga na, bake, pero nakakapagod naman yan. Bakit naging me time mo yan? Pero ganun eh. Doon ako nare-relax,
Yeah.
ganun. Correct.
And there are also some passions naman na those other people won't like. But it's really what's close to your heart. Lalo na yung baking, when you do some pastries, then yung may mga design-design po ba yun, di ba?
Oo,
And
yes.
actually, when you also working remotely naman, you can manage your time. So, malay mo, kapag stress ka po sa work, you can shift after your task, you can shift from baking, di ba? And at the same time po, you can earn from it, di ba po? You can
Oo.
sell it.
Yes. Hopefully.
So, I'm looking forward po na mabibigyan mo po ako ng product mo soon.
Yes.
Okay, so po, a lot of people work. So, what makes you feel secure at home here?
So, di ba nga gaya ng sinabi ko kanina na as long as marunong ka lang sumunod sa instructions na hindi ka gagawa ng sarili mong rules, ganyan. So, you can really find na magiging stability dito.
Asking for help can also make you satisfy your own curiosity. Kasi may mga bagay talaga na hindi naman kaya natin like masolve na tayo-tayo lang. And we also need some guidance from other people, di ba po ba?
Tapos, hindi naman pagkasalang mo, unang-unang araw, di ba, alam mo na lahat. Kaya ka nga may teammates, di ba? Yun na lang sinasabi ko.
So guys, dapat alam niyo kung ano yung ginagawa niyo ha. Don't be shy to approach your teammates. Na kung alam mo naman na ikakabuti mo yon and the company.
Saka asking someone for help doesn't make you inferior. It means that you're willing to learn.
Yes po.
So yun.
Yeah, and that's also one of the example of what Miss Rashmi told earlier, that with Miss Anna and Miss Angelica, na
Yes.
kahit newbie siya, yung sabi nga, hindi pa nga daw siya pinapagalitan kahit mali-mali na daw siya. But instead of getting angry with her or scolding her, they teach her what they should do next. Diba? Like,
Yes.
hindi siya
Yes.
pinapabayaan. Hindi naman sa tinotolerate yung behavior niya na palagi nagkakamali, but we want to make sure that Miss Rashmi would learn at the same time para sa susunod,
Yes.
alam nila kung anong gagawin niya. Last question for you po is, what would be your advice to those person who are afraid to take the risk in our company, lalo na marami nga pong scam, and those na wala pong experience just like you, na ngayon, hard na.
Yeah, so sa mga nag-iisip na scam yung yung job post, kung makita man nila yung gantong job post, parang don't think that way kasi tignan mo nga, unang-unang sign ng scam is manghingi sila ng pera upfront. We don't do that. They don't do that here. So let that give you the confidence na ituloy yung application. And number 2, kung wala kang experience, as I said earlier, ako nga wala experience, pero binigyan nila ako ng pagkakataon. So make the most of it.
Yes.
Ganyan.
To take the risk kasi hindi mo naman talaga siya malalaman kung suitable ka ba sa gatong job or mahahire ka ba if you won't try. Kasi hindi naman kami pupunta sa inyo if kasi hindi naman namin alam kung ano yung skills mo. So it's okay that you bring yourself with us. Kasi ano lang naman konting fill out lang naman, then application process, then interview, and then if you're fit with that role, then you get hired again. And
Yeah.
then, hindi mo alam, pagka the next day, start ka na pala ng trabaho.
Oh,
Kay Miss Rashmi nga, ilang month lang po? 1 month or
isang buwan lang.
diba? Kaya, guys, it's really worth the risk.
Yeah.
And I do really hope na someday or after you see this video, you will find the courage to do that also.
Yes, yes.
And yeah, that's all for today, Miss Rashmi. And yeah, I do really have a great time chatting with you.
Yes, thank you. I did too.
Madami din akong nalaman. It doesn't make you think na magkakaroon tayo ng ganitong conversation, lalo na doon pa lang naghahanap ka pa lang trabaho, and now you're here. You got it.
Tama.
And yeah, guys, Miss Rashmi is a writer and she's also a baker. And yeah, I'm looking forward for made for a cookie.
Send me your address.
Okay. I'll just okay, so thank you so much for opening up and sharing your journey with me, Miss Rashmi. And it was nice
My
meeting you
pleasure.
po. And we are so lucky to have you here in our team. And I do really hope na in the next few months you will still stay with us and we're gonna see each other again.
Yes.
Yes. And to everyone who is watching, thank you so much for tuning in to our Remote Philippines Jobs Team Spotlight. And we hope to see you in our next video. That's all. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.